Hi, I'm Miss Thornton. I'm the art teacher here at Polenta, and we are starting our fundraiser that helps fund the art program at Polenta. We use it for all of our art supplies and to run the fifth grade club and anything else the art room might need. So I have this website that you're gonna get the link to. I'm gonna post it on Class Dojo, and I'm gonna see if we can get it on Facebook and hopefully on the school website, but the link will take you to this website here that you're looking at. If you get your kids' order form, you can enter your online code, but you don't even have to have that. You just need to search your kid's first and last name. So here, I'll search my own kid. His name's Jared, and his last name, of course, it's glitching. There we go. Search. And if you look, it's got all of his artwork for all the way to pre-K, spring of 2017. So all of the artwork that he's done with this school with me is here. Now, if your child did not make artwork with me this year, it's usually because they were absent, or it's usually because they were absent, or if you don't like the artwork that they made, for whatever reason, you can upload your own piece of artwork here. You just enter your kid's information, and then you can find your kid. Here it says upload more. Choose a file, and then it has all the directions here. Add details is just like if you want to name it or anything. But once you have your kid's artwork in, you go to shop, or if you're at the websites here. But then you can see all the different items that they have. And this is a new feature this year, the packages that make it just a little bit cheaper, with lots of really good options. But if you look, it's got all kinds of cool stuff with your kids' artwork on it. And the only ask for uploading your own artwork is not to do anything that has copyrighted material. So like no Pokemon or things like that somebody else has done. I think that's all you need to know. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is Sandra E. Thornton, Thornton. I'm on Dojo, and I'm on the school website. Pretty easy to find me. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.